Episode number 7 of All Over the Lake. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, then you hate babies. So make sure to subscribe.
Oh, no, he didn't.
No, let me get the net. Is it a... Ooh, he's kicking around, man.
He's kicking, guys.
Come on, guys.
He's kicking.
Don't lose him, bro. Come on, here we go, here we go.
He's pulling like a big boy.
Is it a real fish?
Yes, it's a...
Oh, man, that's not even a crappie.
It's a striped bass, so yes.
Oh. Booyah! That's how you do it.
That's how you catch that. Let me hold him. Or do you want to hold him and get a shot of him?
Oh, yeah, let me show you. Take him out.
Look at that lunker. Ooh.
Lunker. I don't know what that is. It's
Yeah.
probably
Yeah.
striped bass, hybrid bass. We don't fish for those, but someday we will. All right, you want to get him swimming away on camera?
Yeah. He's so ugly.
Damn! Be real careful.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh my God.
All right.
Matt, your other pole I think is getting a bite. I'm not sure. I think that pole's getting a bite.
Let's see.
Oh my God.
This pole?
Yes. Nope, I lied.
You definitely lied.
I lied.
All right, let me re-rig this one up, bro.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, get that net.
The net's jammed in there.
Hurry up, get that net.
You got it. Come here, little
Come
lucky
on, man.
booby.
There we go. That's a lunker, man. Look at that one. That one's at least 12 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
So, let me measure them up.
Measure him up, measure
Look
him.
at that.
12 inches.
Hell yeah, bro. 12 inches right on the line.
Here, I'll get him.
Yep. Put them out left live well, right live well is yours. Oh, I better put on the...
Bait.
No, not on the bait. I better put a little water.
Here he is, guys. All right, time for serious, Kyle.
Put it in, bro. What are you doing?
It's my fish. I'm showing him my fish. Yeah, we're getting a little fluffy. Yeah, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah, I got him. He ate it. Yeah, I did. I got it on video. I got. He's a little one. Come here, little boy.
Whoa!
He broke off.
That's because he's so big, man. Look at that.
I know.
That's at least a
30-pounder.
14-inch crappie. Quit lying. Ain't no 30 pounds.
That's a state record.
Definitely a 2-pound crappie, though.
State record.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, there's your bait. Let me see if I can get
Let
him.
him up. Let him up.
Come on. Hook him in the eye again so we can save money. Here. All right, man. Here.
He is devoured and oh, he swam.
Look at that big school of crappie in front of the
Oh
boat.
my God.
Here, get a shot of him.
Woo! We're so not smart. Oh my.
Oh, wait, that's your side of the live well. Let's go to your side.
I'm gonna run a jig. Oh, Matt, that's your.
What's going on with this line?
I think you got a fish, dude.
No, I don't have a fish.
Oh.
Here, turn the...
Oh, he's still on there.
You got it?
Yeah.
Woo! All right.
I think it's a crappie.
Oh, man.
Oh, just striped bass. Oh, wait, no, it's a crappie.
He ain't playing either. What? Oh, no, don't lose him. Don't lose him. Let me get in the net. Let me get in the net. Oh, shit. Oh, you better edit that out.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Man, he hit it hard.
Look at that. Woo! That's how you do it. All right, man. We're your live well is this side, right? Boom. How many is that for you now? 2?
Too many to count.
Yeah.
Too many to count.
Too many to count.
He's huge.
I got him. Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. It's a monster.
There he is. It's
Woo! He's huge. Look at that. It's a monster.
I'll net him up.
Good thing you did. Oh, right there, right there, right there. Get ready. Get ready, Freddy. Don't let him get away, Fred. E. Oh. Here. Get this net out of here. Let's get. Watch your footing. Watch your footing.
Oh.
Here, come on. Quit trying to steal up all the fish, man.
I'm just trying to.
I know, but you're about to get all hooked in your leg because you're so worried
Got
about
him. Oh, no, I don't.
catching a fish.
We should probably tie this pole up.
That's what I was trying to do. You're all freaking so worried about catching this fish that you're all up in the way. Get that one out. Let me get this one tied up. And you might hit You might hit. Whoa, man.
Oh, sorry. How do I miss him?
Ooh, he's a fighty one. What we got here? We got a real crappie for once. Oh man, oh!
He's right there. I seen him.
You smacked the end of the rod in.
What?
You smacked the line with the end of the net. It's your fault.
Why did I did?
Man, I got him. Oh yeah. All right, get over here. Net him up. Net him up. Net him up. Net him up. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. Let's get him. There we go. Woo.
It's a real crappie. Oh, I got one. Yep, he's on.
All right, hold up. Let me get that. Oh man. Oh man. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
It's a real crappie.
We had a double. Go. Boom. That's what I'm talking about.
Here, let me hold him together.
Look at him, big old lunker.
Whoa.
Ooh, special effects, Kyle.
I'll move backwards so you move.
I need the hook pullers, man. Go ahead and put it on. All right, give me a second. Just keep him in the water.
It's a baby.
Keep him in the water anyway. How baby is he?
He's like 5 inches.
Whip him up here. Oh my gosh, it's a huge lunker. Woo! See you later, feller.
Hey, why'd you throw him back?
Because he's tiny.
So they taste
He's
good.
on there. Got him.
Yeah. No, you didn't. You suck. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
I got him. Woo! Here we go. That's what I'm talking about.
World record?
How many is that now? 4 for me, 3 for you. Oh my gosh.
What?
He's got some kind of.
STD? No.
No, he's got some kind of a deformity. Look at this fish. He's kind of weird looking. See the back side of him?
That's the sound of. Yeah. Are they back in there?
No, they're on the back of the boat.
That's a sign of fish STD guys don't have sex with fishes. Then the back of your butt goes insane.
Oh man.
This crappie is not looking too fluffy.
Whip him up here. Let's whip him up quick. There we go. Don't let him break the line. Here, grab him.
I got him.
Hold him way out far. There, you look a lot bigger. Oh, look, it's as big as Kyle's head. It's a monster. He ripped it out of his throat, or he came right back for it. There we go. Not a bad fish.
Guys, it is a nice day. And it is.
There you go, man. Put him in my live well. Let me get the net. Uh-oh. The viewers want to see him in the
I
water.
think it just came off.
Oh, man. You know, he's on there. Look at him. I see him. Woo, that's a nice one. No, I'm not snagged.
Oh my god.
It's just a little turd. It's just a little bass. But there is a school of fish right here. You see that school of fish?
Yeah, I do.
But it's too windy, man. I think we should just keep moving down. Do you have a fish on? You sure?
I just seen another guy.
That's a little crappie, ain't it?
Oh, it is a crappie.
Yeah, throw him back.
So guys, thank you guys so much for watching the whole video. Like and subscribe. And we are going to be posting another crappie fishing video pretty soon. So, and a snagging video after that. So if you like snagging and crappie fishing, stay tuned, because we're good at both of those. So like and subscribe. Please share this video to all your friends, and thanks for watching the whole video. So we'll see you guys next time.